Hi, welcome back to good old RVing. Glad to see you. This is a short video on the product I use, the False stone. It's a product review. I've been very pleased with it. I've had it roughly 5 years and not an issue, and it's done exactly what I wanted it to do. Anyhow, I'm attaching this video and it'll explain how I used it and what it's like and stuff like that. So I'll let you get to it with the video now. Well, welcome to good old RVing. I am Greg, and I've always been getting a lot of comments, people wanting to know exactly what this stone is. Well, it's easier to just show you. How I have it mounted is I just use a couple wood screws, one hole, and I screw it in and it holds it just fine. However, I'm not traveling. This is just to put it in place. Everything is just set in place for now because I needed to fit everything, dry fit, make sure everything fit good before I glued it in. And so with that said, I took the screws out so I could show you exactly what this is. See there? This is a corner section. This is how thick it is. This is, you can see it's a corner section, and it's made to where it'll fit with another section if you're putting it on a different type of corner. Cut it, fit it to the way you want it. You can see where I've glued sections together already right here to make this piece. And yeah. And so it's also, I started to use it because I needed the insulation. And of course I don't really need it here, but it brings everything together. So anyways, yeah, it's called False stone, and I'll include the company's information where I bought it. And so this is just going to be a short video just to let you know what I use. You can see how thick. So if you don't have the space for the thickness, you may not be able to use it. But if you do, you can see how it matches together here to bring them together. If you do have the space, boom. There you have it. And so I hope that helps. Thank you for joining me. Stay tuned for more videos, and it's nice to have you aboard. See you soon. Okay, so here's some information for you, like I told you I'd give you. This is the website, and looks like they're having a 10% off sale. I'm not affiliated, so I can't offer you anything. This is the exact product I used, and you can see the price per panel. And this is what it cost when I shot the video. And these are the specs. Notice the parts that I highlighted. Gives you the weight, gives you dimension, tells you it has the R2, increases the R2. This is how I was assembling it right here. And the rest of these pictures are just how I used it throughout my RV. And so I hope you enjoy the little picture show here, and please like and subscribe, and that's all I got for you. So hope you enjoyed it, hope you got your information out of it. If you have any further questions, please comment. Comments are always good. So anyways, have a good one now. See you on the next one.